Your promise is worth nothing in front of me!
Jian, what conditions do you want? You can hand over your phone!
If you don't worry about the contents of your phone, let the whole world know. You kill me, I won't hand over my phone. But I can promise you,
As long as you don't touch my wife and children.
all the fruit will never appear in this world.
Why should I believe you?
Well, you can only believe me because you are not qualified to tell me about the conditions.
People who dare to talk to me about conditions. No one has lived to this day. Swan Honglin is no exception.